Okay, hi children, welcome to our mathematics class. We have completed fourth class and we entered into fifth now. So, what is the first chapter name in fifth maths? What is the first chapter name? Numbers and numeration. Numbers and numeration. We already know a lot of numbers. We learned a lot of numbers in our fourth class. 1 digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers, up to 6 digits we learnt in our fourth class. So, first we have an exercise rewinder. So, in rewinder, we have to rewind what we learnt in our fourth class. So, we learnt some numbers. What are those? 1 digit numbers. 1 digit numbers are from 1 to 9. Those are how many digits? 1 digit numbers. Okay. What is smallest one digit number? Smallest one digit number is 1 and largest one digit number is 9. So here largest number is 9. If you add 1 to 9, what we will get? 10. Okay. The largest number is added to 1, then you are getting next number. What is next number? 10. How many digits it have? 2 digits. So that's why from 10 2 digits will start. From 10 to 99. So these numbers are what? 2 digit numbers. What is the smallest 2 digit number? 10 and the largest 2 digit number is 99. If you add 1 to 99 again, then what you will get? 100. 99 plus 1, 100. 100 has how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 100 is nothing but a 3 digit number. So 3 digit numbers are from 100 to 999. So these numbers are what? 3 digit numbers. Okay. Smallest 3 digit number 100 and largest 3 digit number is what? 999. Again, if you add one number to 999, what you will get? 999 plus 1. What is the next number? 1000. So 1000 consists 4 digits. That's why from 1000 to 9999. These are 4 digit numbers. And next, so 9999 plus 1 equals to what we will get? 10,000 we will get. Okay, 10,000. So from 10,000 to 99,999, these numbers are called 5 digit numbers. Okay. This is the largest 5 digit number. What is that? 99,999. If you add 1 to it, then what we will get? Another digit. What is that? Lakhs digit. So this number is called 1 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s completed. Next one is what? Lakhs. So that is the 6 digit smallest number. What is the 6 digit smallest number? Means 1 lakh is the 6 digit smallest number and the largest 6 digit number. What is that? 99999. So these numbers are 6 digit numbers. Okay, up to 6 digits we learnt in fourth class. Means up to lakhs. So after lakhs, what will be there? That will be discussed in our 5th class. But before going to enter into the first exercise, we have to write the rewind exercise. So in rewind exercise, just what is there? Whatever we wrote in 4th class, those are only given in the rewind exercise. So answer them. How you have to answer? Write the number name for a numeral is given. If a number name is given, then you have to write numeral. Okay. Okay. So if any number is given like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a 6 digit number is there. Is it correct or anywhere we have to keep commas? Means what we can say? Somewhere you have to write commas. Where you have to write commas in this? Where you have to write commas? We have some periods. What are those means? One is hundreds period. Hundreds period. Next, thousands period and lakhs period. For every period you have to separate by comma. Hundreds period consists ones, tens, hundreds. So after hundreds place ones, tens, hundreds. After this write a comma. Next one, thousands period. Thousands period means 1000 and 10,000 both are together in which period? Thousands period. So after 1000 period you write a comma. Means after 10,000s, this is thousands and this one is 10,000s. So write a comma. And lakhs period. Lakhs period means lakh and another number 10 lakhs. Those are in what? Lakhs period. Then also you have to write comma. For every period to separate them you need to write commas between them. Okay. If any large number is given, then separate the numbers by commas. How we can separate? First you have to keep the comma after 3 digits. Next, for every 2 digits you have to write the commas. Okay. Example 7, 9, 8, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like this a number is given. How you would write commas? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, 1 comma. The first 3 digits, remaining all 2 digits. Every 2 digits consists of a comma. 1, 2. So now you write 1, 2. Now write a comma. If there is a number, write a comma another time. Okay. In this way, you have to write the numbers. And first, remember the number names. Just remind the number names and write the number names for the numbers which are given in the rewind exercise. So all of you should open textbooks and in textbook page number 5 there is one rewind exercise for us. Now try to complete the rewind exercise by yourself. 1 or 2 will be said by me and remaining you have to do by yourself. So first one, what is the first bit? Write the numerals for the given numbers. Write them in the textbook itself. So which exercise it is? Rewind. Rewind, page number 5. First bit. What is the first bit? Write the numbers for the given number names. Number names are given, you have to write the numbers for them. What is the first number name? 24,816. 24,816. It is the number name given. For this number name, you want to write the numeral. Numeral means number you have to write. Okay. 24,816. So, first thousands. How many thousands are there? 24 thousands. So, write 24 thousands. 8 hundreds. After thousands, there is only hundreds. So, direct 8 is in hundreds. And 16. 16. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 24 means it is nothing but 10 about 10,000. Now keep the comma. Where you have to write comma? 1, 2, 3. After hundreds you have to write comma. That's why write comma here. It is 24,816. Similarly, next number. What is the next number? 59,546. 59,000. 59,000. Okay. 59,500. 546. Okay. it is given, write the number numeral for this, 59,000. So 59 thousands. Next hundreds. What is the hundred given? 500. So 5 hundreds. Next word 46. 46. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. So write comma here. Okay. Next 90,462. 90,000. 90 thousands. So next 462. 462. 9462 comma, where we have to keep after 4 you have to write a comma. The next one is 7,44,592. So 7 in lakhs place. So 7 lakhs. Next one 44,000. 7 after that 44. Next 592. Write the commas where you need. Okay, it is the first bit to write the numerals for the numbers. And in the second bit, what is given in second bit? Write number names for the given numerals. Write Indian number names for the given numerals. Number names we have to write. First one is given. What is that? 76,855. So first read it. How you can read it? Ones, tens, hundreds. So is it 855. This is 855. But again, after hundreds, next thousands. If this is not there, then 6,855. But it is also there. 10,000s. So 10,000s place, what is there? 7. 7 tens, 70. 70 plus 6. How much? 76. So totally it is 76,855. First you have to know reading. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So it completely thousands place. What you can say? 76,855. So what can you write? 70. 70 means SEVENTY. 70 to 6. 76,000. 76,855. 800. 855. Okay, like this we have to write. Next, in this B is there. What is that B? 91146. What it is? First you read it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, to this thousands only you have to read what? 91. It is in thousands place. So 91,146. 91,100. Next word 46. Okay. Next digit. What is the next number given? 225. 378. This is given. Okay. Once again observe how many digits. Which digit is the last one? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So lakhs is there. That's why 2 is in which place? Lakhs place. So what we have to write? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Next these are thousands. How many thousands? 25,000. 2 lakhs 25,000. Next one word 378. 378. Okay, it is the number name for given number. In this way, complete the first bit and second bit. Next one, third bit is also there. So third bit I will say, remaining 2 bits you have to complete by yourself. Okay, observe the third bit. What is the third bit? Use the digits 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4. What is third bit? Use the digits. What are the digits? 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4, 2. Use the digits 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4, 2. First one, to build the greatest number possible. Build the greatest number possible. And in this second one, what is second one? Build the smallest number possible. Build the smallest number possible. And next, in this third, what is third? Give the expanded notation. Give the expanded notation. Expanded notation and number name for both. And number name for both. Okay, these three are given in the third. Use the digits 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4. By using these numbers, these digits, you have to write the greatest number and smallest number. You learned this in 4th class also. How to write the greatest number and how to write the smallest number. How we can write the greatest number? If you write the by starting the biggest number with ending the lowest number, smallest number, then you will get the greatest number. Start with the biggest number in this and end with the smallest number. So you should write in which order? In the descending order. From bigger to smaller you have to write. So to write the greatest number, first write the greatest in these. What is the greatest number? 6. So write 6 here. Next, after 6, what is next one? Sorry, not 6. 6, 1, 2, 5, 8, 4. What is the biggest number in this? 8. So write 8. Next, after 8, next one is what? 6. Next one is what? 5. Next 4. Next one 2. Next one 1. So write from bigger number to smaller number like this. Then you will get which number? Greatest number. Okay. So how can we write this number? Means we know where we have to write the commas. 1, 2, 3. After 3 you have to write comma. First one is after 3 digits. Remaining all after 2 digits only. So this is the greatest number we got. What is the greatest number? 8, 65, 421. How can you read this one? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So 8 is in lakhs place. 8 lakhs 65,421. This is the number. Next, build the smallest number possible. So to write the smallest number, you have to write these numbers in the ascending order from smaller number to bigger number. What is the smaller number in this? 1. After that 2. After that 4. After that 5. Next 6 and 8. Okay, this is the smallest number we can build by using these digits. So where we have to write commas 1, 2, 3 after 3 digits and after 2 digits. It is what? 1,24,568. Okay. Next, in this third one, give the expanded notation and number names for both. So what is the first number we got? 8, 65, 421. How we can write the expand form? If you know the digits, and places, then we can write the number expanded form. 1 is in ones digits, so 2 is in tens digits, that's why it is 20. 4 is in hundreds digits, that's why it is what? 400. 5 is in thousands place, so 5000. 6 is in 10,000s place, 6 10 are 60, so see, it is 60,000. And next one, 8 is in lakhs place, that's why it is 8 lakh. So write the expand form. 8 is in lakhs place, so 8 lakhs plus 6 is in 10,000s place. 6 into 10,000, what it will become? 60,000 plus 5 is in thousands place, so 5,000 plus 4 is in hundreds place, so 400 plus 20 plus 1. Okay, how you can write the number name for this? 8 is in lakhs place, so 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs. 60 and 5, both thousands are there. 60 plus thousands are 5,000. Total how much? 65,000. Okay, after thousands what are hundreds? 400, 421. Okay, it is the number. Similarly, write the second number expanded form and its number name. Okay, students, complete rewind exercise.